Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the smoggy sky, I have never seen you. I wonder why. The smog, it makes my chest so tight. For every breath, I must fight.
Parents, teachers, educator, the year was 2019. I landed up in Indira Gandhi, New Delhi airport and I started to itch. I was welcomed by New Delhi, our capital, New Delhi's pollution. And this is the state of affair for many such cities in India and all across the world. Parents, teachers, educators, let's work for a better environment so such beautiful poetries do not become a thing of the past. I am your parenting coach. Follow me for more. Let's make our environment cleaner and greener.